You don't know where it is?
It's somewhere in the house, deep in the house.
What's that?
What, what do you mean? What's that?
What's in the house deep?
My the treasure box I put where I put in my
Oh, really?
tooth when I was a little kid.
You have that?
It's somewhere deep in my toy box or something.
Oh, cool. That sounds awesome.
So if I take off this tooth, I can put it inside.
Yeah. Say something, Puppy.